LBC, Wave riders, rolling, chops up, yeah. Wave rider, float with me. Moonlight on the open sea. Green lights all across my screen. Living out the crypto dream. Wave rider, stay on course. Trust the tide, don't force. Everybody chase the top. We just wait, then watch it pop. Smoke in the air while the candles breathe. Everybody tense, some relaxed can be. Never chase hype, let the setup arrive. Patience turn a little stack and get to a different light. Whole squad cool, nobody gotta flex. Charge through the talking, we ain't gotta press. Fear on the timeline, calm in the room. We been reading waves before they see the boom. As I stay so calm, I point up at the moon. Another way is coming soon. Wave rider, float with me. Moonlight on the open sea. Green lights all across my screen. Living out crypto dream. Wave rider, stay on course. Trust the tide, don't force. Everybody chase the top. We just wait, then watch it pop, yeah. Late night session, city light low. Charts on the wall, got the whole room glow. Roll another thought while the baseline breathe. Never let emotion tell my hands to lead. Ocean in my veins, stars overhead. Build it from conviction, never from the spread. If it dips, we smile. If it rips, we toast. Wave riders know patience pays the most. No panic, no rush. Ride the tide, trust. No fear, no doubt. Next wave, break out. Wave ride, it's all light. Storms turn calm by the morning light. Hands off height, eyes on truth. Every cycle, something new. Wave rider, one more ride. LBC till the morning sky. If you know, then sing along. We've been surfing all night long. BC to the morning sky.
Whoa. Hold the phone. Why are you being like this, bro? Just play the song.
Yeah. LBC.
Good morning, my friends.
Memphis, Tennessee. They thought the market broke us.
Nah.
That joint raised us.
Yeah. What's going on, guys? Good Sunday morning. Hope you all are having a fantastic weekend. Got Bitcoin giving a little bit of a breakout right now. Let's go. I am in a long. This weekend I've just been trying to see which of these chart prime order blocks, what time frame works best for scalps. I think I was liking the 8 minutes. Look at that down there. So yeah, the Sunday swim. Haven't had a Sunday swim in a while. We just kind of hang out and chill. I'll bring people on if they want to come on. You just come into the Discord and we'll get into the voice channel and we'll get you on in some way. Maybe I should make this like a members only type deal. But then GT Jack wouldn't be able to get in here. Or Duality C. How you guys doing? Hope you're having a great morning so far. But yeah, I am in a Bitcoin long. I'm also in a still in a Solana long. Unfortunately. Or fortunately. Wait, I gotta log in. So yeah, just gonna hang out, just gonna chill. It's a little less of a showy type of vibe for the Sunday swim. Oh cool, my Bitcoin long is now worth, my gains is now beating my Solana long losses so far, so that's good. Make that money back. I did have a losing week, technically, with just a single trade, one trade, 1% loss, and of the account. It's unfortunate, but I think I can live with it. I need a video on how to work Discord. Okay. What do you need to know, my friend? I don't know that I want this take profit. Lots of equal highs up here. I set that before I went to bed last night just to make sure, just in case. But now that I'm awake and I can actually watch the trade and manage my risk. See, hourly got to close above. I think I'll move my stop then. I'll do this swing low for now. Because this one didn't close above this, so, but this one did close above both. I don't know. Might want to go to my break-even price. Trying to give a room to breathe. Party foul. I am in OG and LBC Discords. Otter gang. Yeah. I try to post in both. And so far, guys, I've almost given up on the chart prime strategy builder. I've changed so many settings and I cannot get it to create a profit factor and a win rate that I like with a good number of trades. Like, it's in order to get like everything aligned, it dramatically reduces the number of trades. But then again, I mean, I could just throw it on several different assets, but I guess I could do that actually. But then it's a whole bunch of like swing trades. I don't know. Hey, Keith, Crypto Coin Mindset. How's it going, bro? Oh, cool. Little LBC while weed whacking. Awesome. Yeah. Finally doing a Sunday swim for the first time in quite some time. So, let's go over to the charts. Let's take a look-see here, because I need to see if this long will even stand. Okay, we do have high volume node here at about 64,985. So we gotta watch that level. We're digging into this bigger node. We've gotten past this blip. If that's not us creating it, like just now, within the past couple hours. Let's see, fixed range. Let's just take high to low. Oh yeah, we got a point of control right there too. Bring this down just a tad. There we go. So I think it can get up there, at least. And we'll see from there. Let's go to, I gotta pull this over. Let's go from the high. Make sure I get the high. Oh yeah, this one like goes quiet for like 3 minutes for some reason. So looks like we have some bullish delta at these highs, which means we got a bunch of trapped longs. Looks like we have some relatively equal lows down here, so very cautious on that. Oh, bullish liquidity created. Okay, so we got a golden pocket up here. 786 right there. There's nothing really here other than the volume, the point of control of this range from high to low. This is a volume profile that has taken in this as well. I do believe I put this at the high as well, the range high. Yeah. So it's taking in everything, whereas this one's just taking in from the high to the low. But we have gotten above the value area low of that range. You see we broke above, consolidated on top, and now we should get expansion up to that 65K level. And then we got to see if we can break that and then push higher. Hi, the Andy R. Thank you for being here. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Or good afternoon, or good evening, depending on where you are. So, anyone in any trades? Let me know. So, cautious break of structure here. These do look like some juicy lows. Let's go to the 5. You know, I think I like this without the trade activity. Yeah. I like the liquidity zones. I'm trying to figure out which setting I like the best though. Default is 10. I put it on 8, and I think I was liking 8. I don't see any difference. Why is the order block shifting when I change my liquidity zone? That's really weird. I don't know why my order blocks would shift if I'm changing only settings on my liquidity zones. Are the order blocks based off the liquidity zones? What's going on here? Like the liquidity zone settings? I'm going to assume that the lower the number, the less sensitive it is. Which means the higher the number, the stronger the level, perhaps. Let's double the default. Default's 10. Put on 20. A little bit more of a range on that. I like that. But, I mean, it's highlighting the obvious areas, right? And some unobvious. Simeon Davis sent a gift. Hey, whoa, that's a cool thing. Sent an eagle for 400 jewels. I appreciate that, Simeon. That was a cool little thing. That, like, popped down a whole eagle and everything. It was neat. Yeah, I think it's gonna push up here. You can see we have a heavy sell delta here, so unless it just wants to blast through it, I'd be very careful in this general area here. But we do have CBD is agreeing with price. It's going with price, so that's good. So doesn't appear to be a false move. Money flows with us too. Someone fat fingered some freaking buy order today, man. Someone fat fingered a buy order for sure. And it's just been, and it's absorbing whatever sells were here, it looks like. I've got an anchor. I'm going to put it on this low. Let's go from this low. Let's see what that looks like. Let's take it from the fat finger. Boom. They were shaping me. Okay, I don't see any liquidity zones right there. We do have the sensitivity turned up pretty high though. These lows also look juicy, so. Close below this here on the 5 minute. If it comes down, I'd want to see a tap off of the VWAP and to close back above this low. If it closes below, then this correction will probably drag out a little bit. If I had to guess. I need to go to live chat. Live chat. So that's what so I'll be looking for. So Wednesday and Thursday, guys, I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to say it again tonight too. I'm not sure if I'll be able to stream. My wife and our oldest are going on a beach trip for like summer, or not summer, senior trip for our daughter who's going off to college this fall. It's crazy, but hey Melissa, one love, what's going on? How you doing, friend? Hope you're doing well. So because of that, I will have the boys. It'll be me and the boys and the teenage daughter, but she can handle herself, right? But the boys, they're gonna need me. So, but I'm off work Wednesday through Friday. So as long as the boys sleep in till like 9:30 every day, which is not likely, but I could maybe get some morning trades in, which would be nice for once. But I should have a little bit of extra time, spare time to do things. Again, probably not too much, but these aren't terrible because they are bouncing off the highs, but I still don't really care for these lows. Got fair value gap. So close below, then we probably head lower. Let's go ahead and zoom out real quick. Ooh. So the question is, are these strong floors? Or are they liquidity to be taken? You know, I said my original idea was invalidated, and it was. But it looks like it's maybe just taken a little bit longer to play out, potentially. Because we do have these equal lows in here now. And you've got equal lows, and you've got this steady climb here with overlapping waves. It's a recipe for liquidity to be taken. Doesn't have to, but I think more likely than not, over 50% chance that this does just do a retrace. Hopefully up to here. Golden pocket, roll over, sweep lows, and hopefully be done after that. But it might have to put in 5 waves. But let me tell you something. If it does this, if it does something like this, first of all, I want it to hold this. I don't want it to go below this low. Don't want it to go below this low, because this could be a really nice Inverse head and shoulders. I forget how to do this thing. Hold on. Oh, left shoulder. We draw the shoulders first. Okay. And the head. Can't believe. Has it been that long since I used this thing? That'd be a pretty nice. That'd be a pretty nice inverse head and shoulders. $77.9. Right to the 786. I could see it. Oi, what kind? My ninjas and my beaches. What? I think you meant to say what's up. What's up, DDT? How you doing, bruh? Hope you're doing well, my friend. Let's take in all of this volume. Yeah, see, it's base building in here, man. We're just building a nice little base. This does not scream bearish to me. This screams base building, accumulation. Yeah, this isn't like typical bear flag. This isn't typical. This looks like bottoming structure in here. Then August, and then October sell-off, or September sell-off, bottom in October, create a bigger inverse head and shoulders. I would want the low, this low, to be higher than this one. Bottom might be in, guys. I'm just gonna say it. But understand that even if the bottom is in, usually that means it's drag butt time. Darren, I will pay you, I will bet you $5 that I will bet you $5 that doesn't happen. That it doesn't put in. I don't know. Hold on. First, tell me your bottom side target. Tell me your bottom side target. You say building liquidity. I say building a floor. Not all liquidity that you see on the charts is liquidity to be taken later. Sometimes it is a floor being built or a ceiling being built. I need to see.
no fear, no fear, no fear, no fear. Whole market loud, I disappear. If I miss it, I miss it. Life goes on. I'm not crying over a 1 minute candle, son. No famo, no stress, no sweat. I ain't blown in a candle yet.
You got my full name on here, bro.
I just shrug like nah, no famo, no stress, no stress, no stress, no sweat. I ain't blown in a can yet. Way right and live, right and live that YOLO. I just shrug like nah, no famo, famo, no famo,
Faster, smoother? It's not acting like it.
no famo, no famo, no.
What? Yes, update my username so you're not just showing. Not that I care. Hold on. Hunt trades. Well, flush target 61k, bottom target range 57 to 52k. I'm game for a fiver. Nah, it ain't low enough for me. 52? I don't, no. I see 56. I've said as low as 53-ish. But I don't see it going lower than that. Now, can we do a lick flush? Sure we can. But the question is, how much lower will it go? This thing's tripping. Hunt trades. I'll turn this off. Workspace. Hide terminal. Ah. Order book depth. Now to get to the important stuff. Okay, this is spot. That's what I need. A lot of spot buying, which is key to holding up price. If it's perps, it's not stable. If it's spot, it's better. $4K. Oh, I gotta upgrade? No, I'm good. You've used all 3 indicator slots. Well, I'm trying to close one, okay? So at least we agree roughly where it could bottom if it does another flush. I'm not in the 40s and 30s camp. If you want, I can send them in JR's Discord. Templates. I'll check them out. Coin USD. I'll do coin. So I mean, we've got decent spot buys, man. This is just lifting price. Pretty heavy in here. Order book depth. I'll turn this off. I want a CVD. Volume footprint. Good morning, mind mates. CVD. Oh, what is this? Oh, two different exchanges? Binance. I don't want Binance. Anyway, CVD. I don't know that I like this indicator. We're on the other side of the volume profile here. There's that 77.5. I think that's where we're heading to next, and then we'll go from there. Pretty thick right there. What is this? 70,000? And this is, again, this is spot. This isn't perp. I can change, I can put perp on here. Deselect all the spot. Man, perp volume. Looks like you got some buys down here trying to get. But not a whole lot. Let's put on medium. That's resolution. Lower resolution. Medium. High. Stack, stack, stack. And if these start to fall off at all, look out. Whoa, 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 whoa. Calm down. Out of gang, gang, gang. There's really not a lot down here. It's interesting. Okay. That thing's like way too slow. I might have to close the Discord. My computer's being a little slow. Unfortunately. All right, let's see. Let's see. Volume, weighted, anchored VWAP. Let's see. From the high. Okay, so that was our rejection here. I did not mean to do that. Let's see. 236 potential support. Right now we're on top of 382 of the range. That was a value area high. Again, need my macro. All-time high. Well, I do have another chart. This is my test chart. I should probably leave it as my test chart. But I just wanted to like building things in front of you so you can see how I do it. Hey LBC and fam. Hey all set. How's it going, bro? Yeah, it'd be a nice head and shoulders if you can do it. Five wave move impulse. I'd say the bottom is in at that point. And you get a pullback, come up, break 82, and then it's like 100% bottoms in at that point. Or I should say 99%. Because there's always a chance. He eats. All set shows up and 2 people leave. Good job, all set. I'm kidding. Please stay. Or do whatever you want. I don't care. Pass my eval and now working on another? Heck yeah, bro. I've been considering doing a top step. Cheaper for bigger accounts. And a little different. So I want to check it out. Why not? Give it a shot. Bigger payouts, like 90-10 split instead of 80-20. So first blood, yeah, I feel that. Because I do stocks, I gotta learn the 1 minute skill. Yeah, so you can trade, you can, it's actually MBT, micro Bitcoin futures, so you can actually trade Bitcoin futures on Top Step. I mean, same price scale and everything, so. But yeah. So you can trade Bitcoin on there, or you can trade NASDAQ or the ES. I think you can trade gold. All right. Hey, can you act right? Jeez. Still have those equal highs, bro. Anyways, I don't know why I'm doing so top down right now. 1 minute. Yeah, I've been checking it out all set. I've been all up in the NASDAQ this weekend because of that fact. Because of me thinking about doing top step. I mean, it's kind of crazy. I go and I do, you know, so anytime I do a replay or I'm trying to like test a strategy or something like that, I don't just like throw it in the back tester. I actually try to live trade it. And by live trade, this is what I mean. So let me turn on my sessions. This is how I do it. Okay, let's find a Monday, and I'll go through like a whole week. I'm gonna go Monday at 8:30. Let's hit that replay, and I make sure when I do this that I've got this thing scrunched down so I can't see the price action going on, right? So go here, and from there, double click, and let's see. I don't know why this is randomly here. Let's get rid of that. Oh, probably because I was doing this last night. I told you I was already working on it. This is Friday. Yep. This volume is crazy. And notice something about the NASDAQ, because or almost any stock index, but almost every single day looks something like this, because you have the opening bell volume, then you have volume die off going in through the day. The afternoon is usually pretty boring. You got some spikes in there for probably some sweeps, but the end of the day you see the big push in volume because it's the end of the day and people are trying to get their orders in before market close. And then yeah, so you can't trade the NASDAQ. The market closes I believe at 4. Yeah, at 4. Futures stop trading 4 at 5. Yeah, 5 to 6. So for an hour out of the day, there's no trading, which is fine. All right, let's go from where we are. Let's take the Friday high volume profile so that it takes in all of this. And it's Monday. $8:30 open. Before we get too far into this, where's my London? I guess it's not going to show my London session at all because it wasn't trading at that point in time, but it was. Well, there's a low. Asia's got a higher low or a lower low. So I just want to see reactions at these levels. Got some relatively equal lows. Got some juicy lows in here. Gotta head out till catch y'all tomorrow. See you, bro. Thank you for coming by. Mad love. Alright, so let's see if we can reclaim value area low. We're still an hour. We're still... Right, where's 9:30? 9:30 is... Let's mark off 9:30. Let's mark it open. So what are we doing before the actual market open? We are coming up to VWAP. And actually, I got 8:30 here, so I'm going to go ahead and place my 8:30 anchor VWAP. Oh, I need a pause. It's going a little too fast. I need my 830 volume profile. So we can see, all right, so our value area low is right here at 29,722. Point of control of our 830 volume profile is right below the value area low. So if we can reclaim both, I still would want to get above the value area high of the 830 volume profile. But we're just experimenting, guys. We're just investigating the markets, because that's what swim's all about. Oh, look at that. It's going a little too fast. Hold on. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Way too fast. Cannot see what's going on. All right, market is open. Is that a close below? That's a close below. But it's also a sweep of a low. Sweep of equal lows. This might turn around. Let's see. Another sweep. Okay. Sweep with a bullish engulfing. That's interesting. Harsh rejection with a bearish engulfing. All right. From here, what should we do? Press 1 for long, 2 for short. It's 50-50, just pick one. Well, good moon, LBC and everyone. Good morning. Al Jr., good moon. How you doing? Now, let's add in some extra flavor here. Of course, I can't see the freaking CVDs on the historical bars. You think short? Let's try it. Let's go short. Question is, what's our target? What's our stop? How big of a stop can we have? Do a fixed 2 to 1. We don't have any lower levels than this one. Money flows red. We are bottoming out here, so I'd be careful with this one. We are on the 1 minute. Oh, look at that. Took the next low. All right, we're gonna go for all of them. So bottoming. Ah, look at that. Took the final low. Is it the final one? Took the Asia low. So now we've taken London and Asia lows. I said these lows look juicy, and they were. So now, zoom out a little bit, go to the 15, see what we have over here. I'm going to do a fixed range volume profile because I want to see some potential equal lows down here. Granted, we're on the, 15 minutes. Means that those equal lows could be found on the 1. Oh, look at that. Value area low of this range sits right here. Let's go ahead and mark it off. Just experimenting. That's what Sunday swim is all about. Oh, wait. These are equal lows. It might come for those. Let's see. Let's see if it gets there. What is this? 2 to 1? Oh no. Okay, so SFP on the 15-minute. Back to entry. What are you doing? Are you closing the trade because it's not playing out? This is our orb as well. Let me just brighten that up. There's our 15-minute orb. We've taken the orb low. And we've reclaimed the orb low. Let's go from high to low here. And let's just get our premium and discount. Can't see. There we go. So we're coming up to the midpoint of orb right now. What's it gonna do? That's the question. Okay, rejects the middle of orb. Okay. Oh wait, I got CVD now? Oh, you just couldn't do the 1 minute? See how it is. Okay, CVD is agreeing with price right now, so. So yeah, at this point, I might have taken along here after that bullish engulfing and the market structure shift. And then a bouncing off of these highs. It's almost a confirmation. But I mean, we could have taken profit at both of these lows, right? Both of these lows. We still have these equal lows down here, but we could have already taken profit. Bam, bam. Couple of times, taking some off the trade, maybe moved stop to break even or to entry, and then got taken out on that move up there, which is fine. You still made your partials, and you say you protected your capital, and now we see if we can grab the other side. Now we are above 830 anchor VWAP as well. Let's go down to the 1 minute. My CVD is going to go away, unfortunately. Let me make sure this is on the right settings. 12:30. Okay. At a fixed time. Okay. Okay, we're good. So from VWAP to VWAP, I mean, at this point, you come down and you bounce and you get something like this. With it's almost a bullish engulfing. That's the thing. I don't know. I gotta get used to how, how they do like the mini contracts and stuff. You can do like up to 10 mini contracts, 100 micro contracts, and so I don't know what that means. So if I do like 5 contracts, is that like 5x leverage? Is that how that works? I don't know. I have no idea. Oh God. Absolutely destroyed. Hold on. Let's see if we could have picked up anything on that. Like from the volume profile, because it updated. Okay, so that's, so we enter on this candle close. What's the next candle? That's a sweep and a rejection of this high. Man, I probably still would have held this. Because at this point in time, I don't see anything. And this is a 1 minute. And then this happens. Like, Jesus. That's in 1 minute, dog. Sweeping a close. All right, now I'm going long now. Nasdaq's gonna be fun. I see this fair value gap. Seti Satterson. Giving me PTSD. 8 my stop loss. New York Open today. So now I'll go to the 3 because I need my CVDs back. What happened? So we actually got a CVD divergence on that candle. So we had a green delta. So potential absorption. Do my CVDs stay there on the 2 minute? Nope. Ugh. And you know, you don't have to trade the Nasdaq on the 1, just so you know. Trade it on the 3. Okay. Close. Of course, look at that. Okay, so we're at 830 value area high. We're back above the range value area high. Yeah. Watch the VWAP. Session VWAP, the blue one. Okay, it's a breakthrough. We're also seeing these really fill in here. I need a pullback before I consider an entry here. But we're above the midpoint of orb. Little baby. God. Not good. Not doing too good. That's very volatile. This is why I don't trade Mondays. Oh, that was a beautiful bounce off the 830. That's a nice VWAP slap. Look at price trading between all the all the anchor VWAPs. I should have placed one, honestly, should have placed one on this drop here. Look at that. Just after. Just before. Yeah, that would have been... Oh man, juicy. Lowest volume candle here. We should have a... Oh, I haven't done that before. 10 a.m. the start of the London PM kill zone. Yeah, look at that. Time-based anchored VWAPs. 8:30 start of futures. 9:30 market open. 10 start of end of New York kill zone, start of London PM kill zone, end of New York AM kill zone. And why are we anchoring these? Because these are the times of different auctions within the market. Because this is when we have the most participation. But look at this. Look at this consolidation between the VWAPs and then a breakout. And patterns do like to play out more on stocks, so we get the back test. Big push there. But I don't know about taking a long off of that. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Came right down to my fake triangle. Right back to VWAP. This is why I don't do patterns. This is why I have been focusing so much more on volume than anything else. Because without the volume, it means nothing. And here's my problem. I cannot see my 1 minute CVDs. I can only see 3. Unless there's an indicator. What do you think of a short on DEXE? Didn't that thing get rugged? I thought I got rugged. Oh, what was this? Or is that only on a certain... Was that this? Thursday? Is this the chart that I was seeing online all day Thursday? This dump? Because this made me think it, because this, I was just seeing just this. The people were posting it all on X. And they're like, oh, it got rugged. I didn't know that this followed after that 1 hour time frame. Yeah. I don't know. Equal highs. Does kind of remind me of gold. Gold didn't really double top though. Retrace. Rollover. Wait, I'm so confused. Oh, it was still on bar replay. I don't know, it did it for all the other assets. I'm sorry. I was like, what the hell? It did rug. Ish. It rugged-ish. Jesus. I mean, it did come back within this range. Value area has not come down to the point of control yet. Let's put a anchored volume profile on here because this will give us some updated price action. So you can see the value area has shifted a little bit. So let me go from low to high with just a fixed range. But it's rejecting that point of control right now. I'd say, I mean, you are in a downtrend. You are downtrending. So be careful for continued retrace in here, but do have equal highs as well, so. But they can be taken later. And depending, you said 1 hour time frame, so I imagine you're going for this low, which is fine, I think. We have a nice target here, high volume node, point of control of this range from low to high. Much more likely to play out on a 1 hour time frame than a 1 minute. Print. Ryoshi, thank you for being here. Thank you for the question. Without knowing the full details of the trade, I think that's fine. Let's turn on the market dynamics. What is this on? Chart? 8 minute? Why is it 8 minutes? Such a big order. Oh wait, no, that's a look. Wait, is that order block or liquidity zone? That's liquidity zone. Okay. What's your rating? Are you a high? You're a soft order block. You're a softy, huh? This is a high order block. It's hard for it to keep up because it's high. Let's put this on a 4 hour. I try to go a time frame above the one that I am using for my order blocks. I mean, it's really showing that volume down there. And if I just taken a little bit more over here. Value area low all the way down here. From here, look for a bounce. I don't even know if it'll do that though. Might just reject that altogether and then continue lower. Especially if it's like a rug. I don't know. Y'all tell me about it. Apparently it's a Binance something. Binance decentralized exchange that got exploited or something, allegedly. Yeah, I'm not against a short here. Hold on. Turn on higher reset period for the CVD here. Oh, wait. Yeah, CVD says, yeah, I'm agreeing. Do have an up reversal, but these can come early, tend to come early. Money flow was never really got that thick in the green. Just trying to come out. I think a short's good here. Slices deep. Yeah, it looks juicy to me. We got a 884 platinum pocket there as well at about $2.15. Well, actually, it's $2.12 is where the actual 884 is, or 886. 212. And it would also take out this low. But this could hold too. 786, maybe. But watch that value area low. If you sweep that value area low and close above it, be careful with the short. Especially if you come down and you sweep this low and that value area low and then bounce right back up, because this is a demand zone. So it's got to be careful with that. But you can see it was like big buys up here and price has gone down since. So we've got trapped buyers up here. Volume matrix 0 rolling over here on the momentum. Yeah, I think the short's solid. Yep, and I think a short here on Bitcoin soon will be appropriate. above 65 up to 65.6. 65.477. The midpoint 65.5. So you can see we are on top of this, which you can see this here. And then we have this above us up here. There's a chance we can hit our head on that, come down, hit this 64K. So from 65 192 down to 64, and then push to 66.9. And then try to flip these two. Try to flip the macro side. And then look for 70K. Which is also 50% retracement of the range. And the swing high anchor VWAP. But we do have this high order block. It's blitzed. Red-eyed and everything. High AF. Too much noise. All right, let's get to our real charts. My real charts. To the moon, yeah. Oh, I'm on Binance. I was like, where's all my drawings? So my original path was to sweep here. Well, I'm gonna need to change the color on this. That ain't gonna work.
Where am I?
What's a good color for white? Jeez.
Gravitational collapse detected.
I mean, obviously black, but
No horizon.
anyways, thought we would come down here and then push.
The waves have opened.
I don't know that it's gonna do that. For my CVDs. See, on the monthly, we're still cruising. One more min for 1 hour close. Oh, 4 minutes. What color are these? That one. Mark off your lows, people. Mark off your lows. And your highs. Significant swing highs, that is. Get rid of this. Alright, so my original was come up, sweep the equal highs, come down, bounce off of the point of control, come up, like do an ABC, and then roll over, tap the value area low, and a high time frame demand, and then get a bounce. and then get a continuation higher. Well, instead of doing that, it decided to give me another push higher. Excuse me. And now the question is it going to retrace and then roll over? I mean, potentially. I mean, it could roll over from there, could come down. We do have the, is this the swing? What VWAP is this? This is my range VWAP. Here's my swing high VWAP. And my swing low. This is very close to my monthly VWAP. I guess I don't have it turned on. Yeah, see, I mean, it's the same. Yeah, what is this one? That's my weekly. So, are the whales supporting us? Or do we have to come back? That's the question. Must we come back? Swing high. And that's what we went up to. So, I didn't have that turned on, but I also didn't think, I thought we would get to it later. We got to it quicker than I thought. And this, don't know why I have this. I guess just to take out this range. That's not what I wanted. From high to low here, got above. Let's do this. Hi friends, hi the real Bay C. Throw some deep. Throw some fibs on it. Alright, that's interesting. Bounce off of the, so for this range, usually I'm like, man, we're just building up liquidity for us to come down and sweep, which is still absolutely possible, and we could come straight down to that value area low. 60,600. High volume node down here. And it's lining up with this one too. So what level is this? 6180. 60,180. But if we're just looking at this range from high, whoops, high to low, that's what we have drawn in here. Then we have reclaimed POC. And most of the time when you reclaim POC of a range, you're going to go to the value area high or the low, depending on which side of it you flipped. We flipped the bottom side. We flipped from the bottom. And this could just be a steady bidding, steady buying. And the CVDs kind of suggest it with the push. Now we did see this come down, break this low, which you can see that's this low here. Price did not break that low. So that means even with the bears being aggressive here, they were not able to come down and take out this low, meaning bullish absorption. We are seeing absorption. It even broke this low. Oop, this low, which is this one. It broke it down here, but not up here. But this is gonna be the test. We'll see if it can get back above value area high, get back above, or get above the swing high anchor VWAP. See if it gets to my actual target that I had prior. But I mean, if it gets above, you know, this node, right up to that 50, do have high volume node up here. Big if. And it's back below this value area, which, I mean, this is the actual value area low, value area high. So it took that value area high, came back down, potential short here at 65, 135, potential short. We do have the weekly VWAP there, which will change. This will reset at market at the daily close and open, because it's the same thing in crypto. So that'll reset. The blue one, the light blue one here, that'll reset. But if price is at it when it resets, then it's not going to do that crazy jump thing like it does here. Yeah, potential short. We got a lot of volume. We got a high volume spike here. Wait, that was from here? Oh, that's my... Yeah, it's from the low. So we've actually hit the value area low and bounced off the value area low of the local range. The local range is from this low to this high. And now, what has the volume done since we hit here? Okay, it came all the way down. Value area low. Got above POC. Maybe a little short scalp here. I bet all sets already in it. We are on the 4 hour. Look at that. Just nailed that VWAP. That's our session? No, it's the anchor VWAP. Oh, that's from the high. Wait, why did I put this here? And I locked it. Why did I put it here? Oh. That's an 830 VWAP from last week. Last Wednesday. We just nailed it. This is what I'm talking about with the time, man. Putting anchor VWAPs on specific times. Yeah, see. All the volumes there. And you can see we've got high volume node there. So definitely be careful with this level here. Yeah, it's at 65, 135 level. So this is kind of a big level. So highlight that value area high. See all the confluence. Let's pull a fib from this high to this low. Golden pocket. But it might spike through and tap. So we got a node there. Might spike through, wick through, tap that 786. And if it does that and it closes below it, I'd be keen for at least a pull back down to here to 64.1, because we do have a high time frame point of control there as well, and this may pull up to there. This is a swing. No, this is this low's anchored VWAP.
Another headline, another reason.
Oh, that's also the 50% retracement of this range from low, from high to low.
Living in a photo's paradise. Everybody terrified. Every headline.
So a lot of confluence here. 65. 65.3-ish, 65.320. So I'll watch that level. I'll watch this level as well for potential if it wants to do like a little. Wait, did I just get rid of those fibs? See if it wants to come down first and then get a push. Now if it comes down first and gets a push, then there's a chance it might break through and then come back and use that as support. And then we can see what nobody expects, which is none of these lows get taken out and we just get more upside. Of course, we do something like this, then look out, because we might just be on a tear to the upside. It might just rip, because I mean there's no volume here, at least since this high. Macro wise, yeah, of course we got volume there. All the way up to 60, 63 to 64, 63.2 to 64. What's up, Decent Crypto? How you doing? Certainty, doubt. And they're just coiling up in here, man. All right, level by level. We did have a, this could be bullish. 1 hour close above this high. Back test or come into fair value gap. Currently getting a push. I said watch this low. Don't close below. It didn't. It held it. I don't like these lows. It did close below in the 1 minute. What's this? Oh, I got my strategy on. Huh. What's this? Previous day low? How is that the previous day low? Oh wait, I don't know that I have weekends turned on. Is that the Friday low? No, Friday low is all the way down here. Something's off. This can't be yesterday's low because this is yesterday's low. Interesting. I don't like this. Need to fill this in. Why am I using the highlighter? Smash it. W gonna come take me out? W? Are you long or short? If a W takes you out, that means you're short, huh? W? It's one of the uglier ones. Could not come lower. So showing some potential bullish absorption in here.
Yeah. Wave riders. Moving up. Back to print. Yeah. I remember nights when the screen stayed red. Still showed.
I'm scared. I'm out. Don't get scared. Be prepared. Don't be scared. You're short. Back to printing. Ink dried and we living.
Lost a bag, got it bad, that's tuition, not pain. Everybody want fast money till the market touch your name. I don't need hype in my ear, I don't need nobody call. I learned more from drawdowns than I ever did from a ball.
Back to print.
Slow grind, no gimmicks. Same rules, same vision. Moon God, see consistency. No flex, just discipline. Wave rider, stay in position. Ink dried and we lift it.
Chotch. Bearish Chotch.
They chase green, I chase calm. That's the difference. I don't trade board, I don't trade mad. That's how you finish. Moon high, chart low. Still don't fold. I've been broke before.
Let's push down. Let's go.
Slow grind, no gimmicks. Same rules, same vision. Moon God, see consistency. No flex, just discipline. Wave rider, stay in position. Ink dried and we lift it.
Ink dried and we live. Yeah. Bearish Chotch. I just don't like all these lows, man. They're ugly. I just see liquidity. Shoop. Take it all. Higher first. Sorry about the spam. Spam it up, bro. The engagement helps. Previous day high. Yeah, that one actually. Yeah. So we didn't sweep the previous day high. It is the weekend though. This is Friday. So we're just taking all of Friday's losses back, basically. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with watch for potential bullish move, take out some equal highs, get into this high order block, and watch the 786. First, watch the golden pocket at 64, basically 65,000, and then watch at 65.3 to 65.5. After that, kind of see what is the market doing here. What's the CVD looking like? What's our volume looking like? And then this is going to be this evening, potentially, while I'm live. So we'll see. But I'll be looking for potential short from up here to come down and take all that liquidity. Maybe even lower, because I don't particularly care for these lows. But this definitely feels like a trap. It feels trappy. Just building up that liquidity to come back and take it all. And maybe, probably, likely more, I think. Especially with these equal lows down here. Especially with those equal lows. Oops. There we go. Bounce, come down. Look, buy, delta, all these buy deltas. What would cause this is those longs, these positions closing. They haven't already taken profit. Even if they have or have not, price coming back against them, those trades get closed either forcefully or willingly. And when you close buys, what does that create? What does that mean? You're creating sells. You are selling. Price is moving down, so you probably already have sellers also coming in. Momentum to the downside then picks up. Then we can start maybe seeing some buying here for a small bounce. And then maybe one more rollover. Take this low, sweep it, and then get on the move for the next grind to the upside. I'm kind of going back with my original idea. It's still there, even though I invalidated it. Because we have not left this range yet. So we can still hang out here for a while. But a bounce here could make this just an ABC and then continuation, but it's going to be tough. It's going to be tough. Because now you're falling back below the macro. Is this my macro POC? No, this is. Yep. Yep, that's my macro POC. So we gotta watch that. That was also, look at that, man. It just absolutely nailed it. So I would expect more downside this week. I mean, we are holding on CVD, but it's the last. Is it the last week? Oh yeah, it's the last week of July. It might actually close bullish. Let's go to the monthly. Here, let's do this. I went low, 63,000. I think it's gonna get it. 64, 63.9. Wait, where's that lower? Where's my lower demand? I zoomed in way too much. Yeah. I mean, our macro. This is all-time high. Anchored VWAP. I mean, lose that point of control. Unless that value area low shifts to the upside. I mean, it's sitting all the way down here at 58.4, 58.5. So of course, the original thesis that I had for months was pretty much exactly this, except I thought we might go a little bit higher and then come down, which is still possible. All of this is still possible, but giving us our 3 drives with a 1, 2, and probably not that dramatic of a low. But a little bit lower for a 1, 2, I guess maybe 3. case we can get another little push here. We'll see. But let's see. Let's move this anchor VWAP to here. Oh yeah, look at that. Question is, does it have enough juice to get up to here? And I think it does. But it's gotta do it, I think, relatively quickly. Maybe not. I mean, this is still September. We're still gonna follow the 4-year cycle. Then I would expect October to be the bottom. Which means we have plenty of time for this to come down, bounce, go a little bit higher, maybe hit that VWAP, play around with it, let it come down, bottom, and then that's it. That way we take care of everybody that thinks the inverse head and shoulders is gonna take us to the moon. We take care of we don't give the 40K callers any kind of hope, you know, or we give them some false hope and we just rip it against them. And then, yeah, but we'll probably be a relatively down, maybe more sideways August and a sideways September for the most part, with one little shift up between the two. Come back down, going into October, going into the midterm elections, and then bounce, and then go from there. We'll see. But I'm gonna go ahead and get off here, guys. I've been going for 2 hours, so and I got another hour to do this evening, so I appreciate each and every single one of you. Thank you for stopping by. I greatly appreciate it. We'll have a green July. I mean, we're in July, and we're gonna close probably green, I think. The question is, how green will we close? But yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I got stuff to do around the house. And yeah. Thank you all for joining me. Hit the like on the way out if you wouldn't mind. Sub to the channel if you're new. Hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I create new content when I go live. Follow me on X at Lunar Beaches. And join the Discord. All that good jazz. But I'll see you guys later. And have a good rest of your day. See you this evening. Mad love. God bless. Ride the waves. Peace out. Bye.
LBC. Memphis 10 a key. They thought the market broke us. Nah. That junk raised us. Raised in the trenches, man. What field get exposed? Red all on the screen. Still 10 toes. Raised in the trenches, man. Pressure make gold. Way riders ride. Never did what we told. Raised in the trenches. Raised in the trenches. LBC. We get it how we live it. Clock out. Still told by the front door. Clock in. Charts growing like a drugstore. Bills due. Still looking at the long game. Everybody screams. I don't move the same. Seen that jump crash. Thought it was the end. 6 months later, same folks buying back in. I learned different. Market don't love you. Better learn discipline. Wells don't wait. Retail start panicking. I stay quiet. Stack another bag again. Memphis talk hustle. Crypto talk patience. Mix them together. Now I'm built dangerous. If that joint shake, stand still. If they all run, don't trip. If the lights go out, keep building. Raised in the trenches, man. What field get exposed? Red all on the screen. Still 10 toes. Raised in the trenches, man. Pressure make gold. Way riders ride. Never did what we told. Everybody got alpha till that wallet go hollow. Everybody a genius till they forced to swallow. I don't watch moon boys turn ghost overnight. I don't watch quiet hands. Probably get they time. Ain't no screenshot. shots. Ain't no renting life, just another blue collar dude trying to trade it right. LBC, late night, candles still burning. Every red week mean another page turning.
Market don't owe me.
Market don't care
Either you build for it
or disappear.
every scar,
Every,
loss,
every,
lesson,
every
cost.
made me.
Who I
Now the young bucks ask,
How you stay so calm?
man, I was born in volatility.
Chaos my home.
Raised with conviction worth more than the win. Cause if you survive enough wind or springs, always roll in. Wave riders deep, whole chat lock, whole crew know when the week get washed. That jump move, we move better. Memphis 10, they key, ride forever. Raised in the trenches, man. What fear get exposed? Red all on the screen, still 10 toes. Raised in the trenches, man. Pressure make go away, riders ride. Never did what we told. Raised in the trenches. Raised in the trenches. LBC, LBC, LBC. Memphis 10, they key that jaw raised us, raised us, raised us.